Sign up for my mailing list. I don't want to sign up for a mailing list, especially if I don't know who you are and what you're gonna send me. And I don't want to be spammed, all right? So
be the first one to give. But what? Give what?
the only thing I want is the next step. I'm hooked. I want more. I want to learn more from you because you're a beautiful coach and I'm so prepared to actually take the first step.
Generating leads from social media should not be this difficult. And because my wife and I have generated thousands of leads and have a multi-six-figure business a year that we just run with social media content, we just want to show you the one strategy we use that we have been using for years that is still working, that you can apply in your business today.
Do not only post on social media to attract with promotions. No one wants to hear about only when you've got a promotion, when you're selling a book, or when you've got something out. You don't want that. You want to give.
How do we generate leads from social media? Because if we cannot promote on social media, what do we do instead? This is what we did at the beginning. We spent 1.5 years building a YouTube channel. We had, I don't remember exactly, maybe 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. This is years ago. And we decided to create our first product, a membership. And we decided we've got an audience on YouTube, let's promote it on YouTube. We created a video, which was a follow-along video, and then we mentioned it in the middle of the video. Hey, we created this beautiful membership. You should join us and give us money. And even if we had thousands of views every month, only a dozen of people signed up. So don't do that. Don't do that whatsoever. There is a better way.
Also, there are so many things that we really don't like to do on social media. And I kind of see it on the way I behave as well. So you think about the sign up for my mailing list. I don't want to sign up for a mailing list, especially if I don't know who you are and what you're going to send me. And I don't want to be spammed, all right? So
even if it's leave a comment, why should I leave a comment? You don't even tell me what the comment is going to be about.
Contact me via DMs. What makes you think that I'm going to pick up my phone and send you a private message with my phone number to someone I don't know? I don't know who I'm going to talk to. It's either that or DMs or WhatsApp. Oh, no, that's something I don't like. Or the other one is people that have promoted posts and say, come and view my Instagram profile. And then what? Once I'm on your profile, I'm there looking at your picture and go, yeah, well done.
You're getting a view on your profile. What you do with it? Waste of money, waste of time. Be the first one to give. But what? Give what? I'm already giving all this free stuff on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. What else should I give? So let's suppose you are into vegan pastries, okay? And you've got an entire channel, an entire Instagram or whatever social media platform you prefer about how to cook pastries, which are vegan and yummy. This is what I would do. I would create one page on your website with a beautiful title that says, bake your first vegan brownie in 20 minutes, even if you have no experience with pastry at all. Download my guide for free, just give me name and email. If you follow me for a while and you saved some of my reels, wouldn't that be way more interesting, like as a reason to give you my name and email? Because I want that recipe. Maybe it's a document that I can print out, put it on a fridge, follow it, and actually get some results. You are touching upon the dreams. I want to be able to cook vegan pastry. I want to get results in advance. I want to actually get the brownie in my hands and eat it. Frustration, I don't know how to do it. Desires as well, I want to show it off with my friends, and so on and so forth. This is the reason you should have your own ecosystem and dealing with your social media separately, inviting your social media into your ecosystem with something else, a lead magnet, basically.
But then think about it, like I am so excited and I feel so accomplished with myself because I baked that brownie. I made it so beautiful. You gave me that secret ingredient that no one else has given me to actually make it so yummy and fat-free and vegan. The only thing I want is the next step. I'm hooked. I want more. I want to learn more from you because you're a beautiful coach and I'm so prepared to actually take the first step.
That's when you sell your book. That's when you sell your course. That's when you present a membership because now they're ready to, like you said, take the next step. They need you at that point. If you only give free stuff, they would miss on the juicy bits. Like, for example, your book is about, it's a bigger list of recipes that they can follow. If they like the free one, they would totally buy the book. Doesn't matter the price because it fixes a problem.
I never suggest to sell a membership because remember, at this point, people might be still testing you out. So if you give them something that they can consume, they're not only gonna test your way of teaching, your method, but also if they like you. So only then they're going to be ready to take the next step.
If you already have a list and you don't know how to monetize it without sounding spammy or pushy, I want to invite you to the free Sell More Masterclass that we are doing on the 28th of September, where we show you exactly our sequence of emails that we use and the type of lead magnets that we use to grow our business that you can apply to yours. We give you our entire email sequence and we are not holding anything back. So if you want to join us, make sure you reserve your spot. There is a link in the description box below. We'll see you there. Coming from social media into offering something on your website to then offering the next step, which is an introductory product, which usually is low ticket-ish. For them to come from free lead to paying customer, it doesn't matter how much they're paying. It might be $1. The psychology changes completely. After they become your customer, your client, paying just a small amount, that's when you can present your membership as an ongoing support to fix an even bigger problem. That's the path that we found. That's what we do. What do we do practically? We've got different lead magnets. We've worked on them along the way. One of the most successful one was the Get Ballerina Fit workout plan, which was a 5-day workout plan where we follow them up for 5 days without selling anything, just following them up in their journey. And then towards the end, we offered the next sensible step, which is a course. It's a 4 weeks course. And throughout the 4 weeks, we find the right moments to pitch the membership. And we found that this way is so much better. It makes so much sense and we don't overwhelm people.
There is one very beautiful software that we use, and that's the only thing that we actually use to do all this, because most of the time what we think is I need a software to grab the email, another one to do the lead magnet, another one to actually store my contents, another one to actually sell and to give the book or the whatever products you've got, which we've gone through that. It was hell because at some point we ran out of storage and it was a mess. But this time around, we've got one only software which we adore, and it is called Kajabi. And Kajabi is non-techie people friendly. So you're looking at the person that does not even charge her phone or forgets to charge her phone. I couldn't even figure out Facebook. So if I can use Kajabi, anyone else out there that knows a little bit of computer can actually learn pretty fast. Also, to make it easier, Mr. Man here, which I absolutely adore, has created a mini course that goes with it. You're gonna get it only if you sign up with our link.
If you decide to go with Kajabi because you want to build your online business and only want to use one software, and of course we recommend Kajabi, what we can give you is double the free trial. But not only, we want you to be all set up for success. That's why you mentioned the mini course.
Of course.
I'm adding on to all of the things you need to know from day one. Once you sign up for Kajabi, what you need to do step by step to create your first little website that generate leads and start selling from the first week. So that when the trial is done, you can already repay for Kajabi by itself. It's all free. You don't pay anything more. We just need to use our link, which is this one. If you're interested, we'll be happy to give all the bonuses for you. We also, if you want to stay after the trial, we give you our sales page templates, which are all of the templates that we use to sell our own digital products. And we sold many of those. If you are overwhelmed with tech, you don't know which software to use to build your website, create your courses and products, send emails, automated email sequence and all that mambo jumbo, there is one simple software that we use that changed our business and life. You want to know what it is? This is the video where we explain everything you can do with it. Hi, yeah. My wife and I have, hang on, I forgot what I had to say. Hi, Iacopo here. What is this? Let's try again, shall we?